Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I hope you find this pictorial on how I made the brass dragon's head informative. Is that a word? Yeah, that has to be a word. Anyway, off we go. This will be my first voiceover, and hopefully it makes sense, because I know the slides are pretty confusing at points. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, leave them below. I'll do the best I can to respond, explain, or just drive you crazy. I don't know. Whichever one works, right? Okay. Let's fade this and get started. Once you have the body of the dragon done, you'll pull the front pieces in front like you see in the photo here. And then you'll bend it up slightly for the nose area. And this is the start of that particular spot. You'll bend it back like you see here. And then you'll add a couple of extra weaves along the top section of those two wires, which forms the nose. Once you get those, you're going to attach it to the sides like you can see in the photo here to lock it in place. Coil around the two separate pieces that are sticking up. Take your bailers, put it behind those pieces, and give it a nice bend so you have the brow of the dragon. Coil both of those, like I said before, for a nice brow. You'll take that one wire and bend it to the back like you see in the photo. And then you'll weave those two wires together in what I call a ladder stitch. All the way down those two wires. You'll coil them around the body like you see in the photo there, any way you want, freeform, and attach them to the back so they don't poke, stab, jab, whatever. And then you'll add the seed beads for the eyes, and these are the really tiny seed beads. Then we'll get another piece of wire and form a brow or a crest on the head like you see here, and bend it to the shape of the head, which you will then coil or swoop around for the nose area right here in the photo, the two little dots there. Then you'll adjust each wire, cut it to the length, and put a loop at the top to keep it from poking and stabbing, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. It's not perfect, it's just there, and it looks good. And it comes out looking pretty good, honestly. So, if you like the video, I appreciate a thumbs up, a share, a subscribe, and don't forget to ring my bell. Take care and be safe. Deuces.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you stopped by. Okay, let's try that again. Life's so difficult. Everybody has to be a critic. Ugh. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. Oh, that's too long of a pause. Why am I pausing? There's no pausing here. Why am I pausing? Does this really have to be that difficult? It's just talking into a microphone, looking at a video, trying to edit, get it right, do it right, and I'm still screwing it up. What the hell? Let's try that again, shall we?